Good morning, traders. How we all doing today? Today is Tuesday. Turnaround Tuesday. That's what my broker used to call it. But anyway, in this market, it'll turn around 5 fucking times in a day. Oh yeah, as you all know, right? Coming down, turn around, going up, turn around, turn around, turn around. You see it right there in the chart. Okay. Not that I planned on saying that just now, but it just came out. It was my old broker, Tim Hannigan from Chicago, Illinois. He used to say that. Oh, it's turnaround Tuesday, he would say. And that's exactly what soybeans did. If it was going up, it would turn around and come back down that day. If it was going down, it would turn around and go back up that day. Turnaround Tuesday. Okay, let's take a look at the trades here on the 2-minute chart. See up here? 2-minute chart. We're on the MNQ. Looking at this on Ninja Trader. Okay? Which this is almost over. Oh, another hour yet. There's the whole screen there of the USA session. So, where is our first divergence setup of the day? It's right here. Lower lows. Right there, and you would have entered right here on the opening of this candle right here. And this was at 9:10. This was before the open of the NAS. And it went up and it gave you profit. And as you can see right here, if you didn't take your profit in here, whammo, they took it right back down again. Okay. However, there's another trade setup. There's a whole bunch of them today. From here to here. Okay. And from this doodah to that doodah, just like that. Okay, and there's the divergence, and there's the arrow to get in, and this was at around 9:45 or so, and it was a good trade, and it went up. And then I was, I was checking this out here, and I was going to take it short, but I didn't take it short yet because the 5 was still above the 7. And I'm trying to remember, did I sell it in here? No, I didn't. I sold it from this hook down right here. That's where I sold it from. That's where my first trade was. Right here. No, it was this one. That's the second one that happened. It's this one right here. I sold it in here and whammo, and I took my profit right there at 550 level, right here, that blue line. Yeah, it was good. It was good. It was what I call a hook down. Oh, don't do that, you little bugger. There. It's a hook down. It's when we get a buy, which I call a buy fake. Okay, we get a candle, a bullish candle to close up above. Here, let me make it bigger so you can see it better. Up above the both moving averages. You guys know how I love my 2 moving averages, which are very close to the price and tell me little stories along the way. Yes, here is one story right here. Buy fake. They whack it down, sell it, boom, you take profit. Second one, buy fake again is another buy fake, okay, right here. So, buy fake number 2. And yeah, I'll just put them on top here now. Yeah, that looks more cooler. So right in here, I sold this one as well, and I took profit right here, okay? And I did another pullback trade in here right off the pivot, and I took my profit right there. And as you can see, it came down and hit the 500 level and bounced back up. What do we have here, ladies and gentlemen? You know, higher close, sell it, right on the opening of this candle. Boom. Down it goes. And you make money. And I'm not a fucking financial fucking advisor. I'm not trying to be a smart ass. I'm not trying to be ignorant to any of you, but look at your screen. Please tell me, did I show you these setups just yesterday? I showed you higher highs, divergence, okay, right here. I showed you the buy fake, and they smack it down and you sell it and you win. The buy fake, then you wait for it to come back down and you sell it and down it goes. See, and then a higher close, sell it, down it goes. Did I show you those similar setups yesterday? Yeah, I did. I'm not trying to be a fucking smartass. I'm just trying to say, hey man, if you're just looking at this for now, and even if you've been looking at it for 3 months, get your confidence. Remember these setups. Do the setups, man. You're gonna cash in. I'm not a financial advisor. Okay. Anyway, that's all the trades setups for the Ninja Trader on the 2-minute chart. Okay. It was a beautiful thing today, just like yesterday. Yeah, it's so beautiful, this 5. I just love it with all my trading heart that you couldn't buy it here. Well, you see how I put the double bottom here, and yeah, and it was divergent, but what wasn't? What wasn't in this whole scenario? Why couldn't I buy up here? Please tell me the reason. Because the 5 was still, it was actually overlapping the 7, the 5. It wasn't below it. Okay? And then when it came back down here, the price, the 5 was definitely pointing down below it, gonna go down, and that's what it did. So I could do the sell hook down right here, but I couldn't buy it in here because the 5 was below the 7. That's it. Very simple. It keeps you from doing the right thing. Not every time. I got the hiccups now for some reason. Not every time does it work and filter out the bad trades. Of course not. But I would say 80-90% of the time it does. And in a long trend, it tells you right here, there's so many people that when this bull candle closed here, they go, oh, it's going to go back up now. Oh, it's going to go back up. And they bought it here. And they took them right down into the mud again because they were trading against my 5 EMA, which is below the 7 with a good gap space between the two. That's another important thing I never really mentioned to you guys. It's in my course. But anyway, yeah, it told you. You can only sell here, not buy. You got to sell. Yeah, but you also know that my main instruction here is, here's the formation at the top. Okay, divergence to the sell side. So it basically told you, look for sell setups. Sell, boom, take profit. Sell, boom, take profit. Sell, boom, take profit. Because the 5, right up from all the way up here, is below the 7. But not just that, I always tell you that you need to buy or sell near the top. Right here, change direction, sell. You need to buy from lower. You see what I mean? You buy near the low, you sell near the high, but you don't sell at the top or buy at the bottom because it could keep going in the wrong direction and you're going to get burned. Okay, so you always look to sell near the top up here, and you look to buy near the bottom down here. See what I mean? You know what I mean. I'm telling you, these moving averages are like a gift from God, from heaven. I'm telling you, traders heaven. We're trading in traders heaven here with these 2 moving averages. and all the little tales it tells on the way up and all the little secrets it tells on the way down. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I know I'm making this shit up kind of, but it's true. You know, I don't mean to, but I just laugh at people who have these moving averages like the 30, even the 21. It's too far away. It's too far away from the price, and it's not telling you really what to do. Well, once in a while it'll tell you what to do, okay? Once in a while, when it comes around near close to the price, but you need the moving averages close to the price. See? See how close it is to the price? See? And up here, see how close it is all the way down here? Because it tells you the story, man. It tells you what to do and what not to do. Okay. That's my spiel. That's my whatever for today. Okay? We're going to now move over MetaTrader 4. 5-minute time frame. Okay, here's the NASDAQ, 5-minute. Did it show a trade? No. There's no trade from up here. That sucks, eh? Yeah, it sucks. But we do have a higher close. Sell it, and down it goes, all the way down. And there's one more, okay? Right here. Higher close, sell it on the opening of this candle, and down it went. You would have made money on both those trades, and you would have captured the whole fucking trend. Right from where you're supposed to sell up here, when it changes direction, see? Near the top. No, don't sell up here. Don't buy neither. Definitely don't buy. But you are going to sell near the top. Okay? Okay, cool. Let's move on now to the S&P. Oh, it's a little more blotchy, eh? Yeah, a little bit more blotchy. Choppy. Well, we have a low and a lower low. Yeah. Right here. Yes, indeed. And we had our buy trade right in there. Did it work? Yeah, for about 6 points or so, right up to the pivot. I wouldn't count too much on that pivot on MetaTrader. It's not accurate. It's not fucking the price is not accurate. It's off by about 70 points. That's fucking that's MetaTrader 4 from you. Forex. MetaTrader 4. That's why it's fucked up. When I show you the shit on NinjaTrader, that's the real price, and where everything should be, it is. Okay? And here we're now looking at the Dow. We have lower lows. Let's see. Do we have divergence here? Yeah, you tweak it a little bit, point it up. Let's see. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, yeah, it's divergent. It's divergent, ladies and gents. It is divergent. So you would have got in, I don't know, somewhere in here. If you got in right there, well, it scared the living whatever out of you. But your stop would always be at the swing low. Your stop is always at the swing low if you're looking to buy, and it's always at the swing high if you're looking to sell. Okay? Yes, I have the ideal perfect place for the stop loss, which hardly ever gets hit. I'm not a financial advisor, okay? Because I've been looking at these charts for over 2 decades. That's why. Well, I've been trading for over 2 decades. No, I haven't been looking at the charts for 2 decades. Since 2005. So how many years is that? That's like almost 20. Yeah, in 25, it'll be 20 years that I've been looking at charts. 20 years I got in. Okay, not that I'm bragging or being an ignorant asshole saying that. I'm just telling you that's how long I've been fucking staring at these charts. And I still love it, and I don't know why. Oh my God, I don't know why. This is what I love to do. This is my hobby, trading. Yeah, it's my hobby. Okay, pound dollar. You would think there was a sell right there, higher highs. But no, this side's higher than this side, so there's no trade. And there's no higher close candles in here, so there's no sell in here either. And down here, it's just a mess. Yeah, it's just a mess. Okay, Euro USD. Ah, it ain't any better. 15-minute. See, this side's higher than this side. See, so there's no sell all from up here all the way down. There's no fucking trade on there. Pound yen. Oh, there's a double. Double top. Let's move this out of here to clear up the chart a bit. See if we can see something. No, there's no sell here because this side's higher than this side. No. There's fucking nothing here either. Pound yen, holy jeez. Well, maybe 15-minute. Yeah, there's a trade down here. Long before the UK session opened. We have lower lows. And this like this. And I'll tell you where the trade is. That's why if you're, especially if you're a currency trader, I want to say you gotta take a look at both charts, the 5-minute and the 15-minute. You have to check them both out because sometimes there won't be a trade on the 5-minute and there will be on the 15. So if you would have got long right here, see it went up 100 on the pound yen. It went up 100 pips, man. So yeah. Euro yen, oh, very, very ugly. But we have a trade right here. I got quiet all of a sudden, huh? I'm just giving I'm just taking a little break. Okay, see what it sold here, and it went down only 18 pips. And there's not one here because this side of the mountain is higher than this side, so there's no trade, and it came down. And there's nothing else there to look at. That's Euro yen. Okay, let's look at oil now and then gold. Okay, oil was a little messy, a little choppy in the middle here. But I will show you something. What my good friend Patrick trades, okay, which is a bull flag. We have a bull flag there, ladies and gentlemen. This is what I saw. So you would have got in here somewhere. Somewhere in here, you jump in here just above these wicks. Boom, it goes up. So you would have made, or up to 50 pips or so, or points, okay? And I wouldn't buy it up here myself. It's too far from the 5 anyway. We need this candle to be the lower close candle, closer to the 5. So the only trade was right here, which was a bull flag. Okay, let's look at gold now. And what did it do? I think there's a trade here. Yeah, see? It was bullish, hard to see, which I call it divergence, or known as hidden divergence. You would have got in right there very simply, and up it went. This is gold, right? Yeah, gold. 150 points right there to the top. Beautiful. Beautiful trade on gold. Okay, so that's it for the markets that move, that most people trade. And now we'll move to Bitcoin. And there's big dips now. Yeah. Because of the news, 60 Minutes stupid news show where they got some fucking jerk-off fucking lawyer guy who obviously does not like Bitcoin, any cryptos. And he caused this retracement here. And it's the same thing on XRP, okay? This asshole said things, and other things have come up. They've been doing this for fucking over 10 years, saying bad shit about that isn't true about the cryptos, and they knock it down again. Everybody gets feared out, and they see it coming down, and they fucking get out, and all that it does when this happens, it gives the opportunity for the big dogs, woo, woo, okay, to buy a fucking dip, to buy it in at a better price. That's all that it fucking, what it means here. Everybody wants to get in at a better price. Nobody wants to buy it up here, XRP at 280. Instead, they'd rather buy it here at $2. You see what I'm saying? That's what's going on with that. Okay, and it'll come back up and it'll go way past this recent high here of 290. It'll go way, it's gonna go. I'm not a financial advisor, by the way, but I believe it's gonna go in my mind and my trading heart. Okay, let's look at silver. Ooh, she come back strong. Woo! Is gold coming back that strong? Oh yeah, gold's popping up. Gold is popping up. Look at that. Somehow they rammed it right down here. I wonder how and why that happened. So they could get in at a better price down here. That's why. Okay. Where the fuck was I? I was looking at silver. Yeah, silver. Okay. Is that silver? Yeah, it's silver. Okay, Ethereum. Oh, look what they done to Ethereum. It was going up so nice and bullishly right here. Wow. Okay, now we can get in at a better price. Yeah, fuck you, you fucking scoundrels. Okay, Japanese yen. Yeah, it's coming back up again. We might go up to here. Might take a little bit of time. It's just did a little dipsy do right here. And that's it for the setups for today. I want to thank all of you for coming out, driving your car, and clearing the snow off your car, and driving over to watch my show. I really appreciate it. Okay? Please come back tomorrow and watch again. I might have some more good learning stuff here to show you from my many, many years of trading. So anyway, if you trade this afternoon, please be careful. NASDAQ seems to be trending pretty good today. I think maybe without even looking at it, it's probably going to start to go back up. Let's see. Oh, no, they took it back down again. See, another higher close, sell it, down it goes. There's another trade if you're willing to sell down there. So yeah, so be careful, okay? Good luck and good trading.